Alright, here we are, the day after the big snow, and as you can see, it certainly is still here. And that gives you a good idea how much snow fell. It's probably about a foot. About a foot fell there. As you can see here, our lawnmowers are underneath the snow there. And here's our barbecue. Well, I bet you'd freak out if you came out and saw your grill like that, huh? And if you remember last night we had some bags. There's about 20 bags of soil right there hid under. And need to come out and knock the snow off of that rose bush or it's going to get bad. Same with that tree. If you don't, the branches break off. And they look pretty damn bad even when they come back, but you take a look there. And as we come around, here's the roof. And that's pretty much how much snow fell. We're looking at about 12 inches of snow on our roof. And let's see, there's the Snow Princess. There she is waving at us. We didn't have school today. Yay, it's a snow day, obviously. And look at our neighbor's roof over there. Big drifts.
Take some outside.
I am outside.
No.